Bible says that he who has the Son has life. He who does not have the Son of God does not have the life.
Kasi thi ban kong jong yo ni san dal nong kan khot ka khat ar dong utau ba don yo khon u don ye ka jing bom chu kon henrai utau bom don yo khon don ye ka jing bom chu kon.
Many people committing sin,
Bon ki breu gila pom
they want to escape from that sin.
ki kuang ban lai na ka ta pom
Do you know how they are escaping?
atau bidep kum no ki bersyang ban lai
Doing religious things,
ta ka ba ki bersyang ban im kum ki riu niam
doing ritual things,
ta ka ba le ye ki niam ki rukom
giving so many things to the poor people.
ta ka ba ai se ki ba do.
And sometimes if they are neglected that area, they will want to addict to the drugs, wine and all of the water vessel.
But ki wei pat ki em ka jing ha ka jing kan ni jong ka jing di ya drugs but ki wei ki jing snow ba ha jong ka ni ka pro.
Do you know why they are doing like this?
Hitep balai ki lai ko ne
Because their heart is empty.
namal ba ka don go jong ki ka thali
They are searching for the peace.
ki wa ye ka jing so
They are thinking that if I do like this, if I do like this, I will get peace.
ki berkhat ba ka pangalan ko ne ba kum tai ngan yo ye ka jing so.
My friend, if you want to peace in your life, you have to receive Jesus Christ in your heart.
Lok ba ye la da bi kwa ye ka jing so la ka ban se hidon kambat pedian yo jiso ka da no ka jong
Without Jesus, you may not be get peace.
namal klam u jiso henam la ba yo ye ka jing so.
God can make your heart a peaceful life.
Udai kamu belai banget ban penlong ye ka don no jong pi ka don no ka basok.
Do you know why He going to give peace us?
Hitep balai u ai ami ye ka jing so.
Because God has made you and me His likeness and His image.
Namar bau belai la thau yang apa ye pi hada jing srem ka dor ka jong.
My dear brothers and sisters, I wanted to make understand that we are image of God.
Men para ba ye jong nga kwa ba fix no tho ye ka ne bangi ni dei ka dor la thau ye ka jing srem ka dor ka jong belai.
So without God, it will be emptiness.
Namar kata ka jong khlem u belai ka don ka jing long sudah.